Walk on. That's right. Good boy. All right, we want a nice big circle. Nikki, Amy, get out of here.
That was my girl, so I had to talk to her.
Of course. What a good boy. Make one circle to the right, and then I'll get in. Whoa. Whoa, son.
Oh, little man. Look, come past your head.
Whoa. Whoa. Good boy, that's right. Come right. Come right. That's not your favorite, I know. You're gonna have to pull him, I think. That's a good boy. That's right.
You did that.
What a good boy. Let's make this a little bit bigger circle. We don't need to make tiny ones. What a fine boy.
F-Y-N.
Whoa. Whoa.
I'm going to get in your face. I'm going to get in your face. I'm going to get in your face. You see me now? There we go. There we go.
Now the hardest part of this entire thing.
Shane, hang on.
Yep, slipped into the chain. The hardest part of this whole thing is me getting into the cart.
Sit still. There's going to be a commotion there.
Whoa. What a good boy. All right. Walk on. Good boy. He says, huh, that weighs a lot more. Yes, it does. Look at how smart you are. No, we're not going to go down the road today. We're not going to make tiny circles, but we're not going down the road.
Nick, Nick.
Good boy. You don't need to be turning because you're trying to bite the chain. Come on. We're going to make a wider circle and change direction again, going toward the cows. And if he can make that one quietly, then we'll take the lead off of him. Quit, quit. That's a boy. Yeah, you recognize that from the last time, huh? We did him yesterday, but we'd already used up all of the battery on the camera, so we didn't get video of him on his first hitching, which was okay. Dee got some photographs. And whoa. Let's take that off of him since he's fussing and trying to play with it.
Oh, I'm going to get in your face. I'm going to get in your face. Easy, little man. Easy, little man.
And then we can spend some time walking around the yard. Give him something different to look at, something different to think about. Gale, walk on. Walk on. Good boy. That's right. Good boy. Walk on. You're all right. No. Doodlebug, get out of here.
Now go stay back.
Doodlebug with her little broken pelvis does not need to be in our way. Good boy. boy. Nope. Next time around, we'll switch direction. That's right. What a good boy. This is his hard direction. He didn't like it in the round pen. He doesn't like it out of the round pen. Oh well. He'll get used to it. Well, I was untwisting the line and then I twisted it up again. That's right, come around. Come around. Come around. Good boy, come around. Time to go do something else. You're getting bored. You're trying to think of other things. We're gonna go walk around the yard. Nice big load of hay. So he's a happy boy now. He thinks we're headed for the road. We sort of are, but we aren't going to get there today, I don't think. You come around? Good boy. Let's go show off to your brothers. Good boy. Yep. Oh my goodness, you've never seen that since like earlier today. You are such a funny boy. Give and take and give and take, and he's giving me a very nice set of turns. I decided to come back this way instead of the other side of the round pen because I didn't want to mess with the hose. Come left. Good boy. Hello, cows. And I'm going to treat him like a big horse and just drive him right into the barn. Walk on. Coming in. And whoa. Would you cross tie him, please?
Rattle anything. I'm going to touch you. I'm going to touch you. Right here. Right here. There. Good ball. Oh, little man. Grandma says you did a good job. You know why she said that? Because you did. Thou beast. Thou beast.
Good boy. He wanted a longer drive. I wanted to quit while things were going perfectly. I'm always big on quitting when things are going well. What a good boy. Yes, you are a good boy.